We are currently undoing the wrap on this Bugatti Veyron that you guys know. This is the pink and blue chrome Veyron. Blue chrome is annoying to take off because it rips apart very easily. As you can see, it's not flexible or stretchable. This pink is stretchable, so it's way easier. Even when we apply some heat, it still breaks apart pretty easily because it doesn't flex. So this car originally, as you can see, is red. It's red and black actually. This is the 4th wrap we've done on this vehicle between 2 different clients. We're gonna be wrapping it again. It's gonna be again pretty flashy. This customer loves flashy cars, loves to have fun with it. Why not? It's not gonna be as subjective as this pink and blue, but it is gonna be colorful and very bright. Comment below, let us know what your guesses are on what color this is gonna be. It's gonna be 2-tone, so it's gonna be 2 colors.
If I told you guys what I just did right now, you guys would have to tell me to leave, go home. I tried taking out the red. No, look, you saw that too? I tried, you're gonna die at my angle here. It's like a pizza shaped, the blue came out, and I tried taking out the red. Idiot! 3 hours I've been taking out the blue. Mono doesn't know his colors.
Bauer and Wilkins. Oh shit. McLaren uses Bauer and Wilkins.
It's the McLaren, it's not a Lamborghini.
We need a set of Range Rover wheels, and I can't find them. And there's about 1 million wheels here, and I can't find 4 Range Rover wheels. Yes, we got 1. We got 2. We got. Jesus. The thing is, how are we gonna get this out? As you guys can see, it's like a... Yeah, it's not fun. Alright. Because you're losing weight.
Yeah, I know.
Look. Oh my god. You're losing a lot of weight.
Don't make your Beamer fart, bro. Just farting the whole time. You have gas? Another previous episode you guys saw us do that S-Class Mercedes-Benz in that satin black color. Satin black with gloss black accents. It had stock wheels. It was lowered. Everybody was talking about why it should have wheels. We explained to you guys that we ordered wheels. They were coming in. We did high polished 4G Auto wheels on this one. The polish takes a little bit of time, so it didn't make it on time when we finished the car. But now we got the wheels back and it looks amazing. We didn't want to do standard black. Obviously gloss black would look super clean on this car, but we did this high polished look. We want the wheels to pop out instead of the car on this one, and that's what it does. 22-inch wheels, 2-piece wheels, front and back are different, staggered fitment, so the back is more concave than the front. We did red brakes. Car looks insane. Drives really well still, actually, which is great. Really happy with the way it looks, and much different than a lot of builds out there, and that's what it's really all about, is to be different. That's why you're customizing your car. I know a lot of guys see our pictures online, social media, Instagram. They go to shops all over the world and show them, I want this car done this way, which is really awesome that we are able to create things that people like to replicate, but always great to do different things, and that's how we start these trends. So satin black with high polished wheels, looks really amazing. One of the tricks to it is having the proper stance. If they're polished and a satin black car, if you have a big gap, they're gonna look funky. So the key element here on this build is the stance. We went really low, closed that gap, and it looks incredible. Looks sick, huh?
Gold lights hard.
Yeah, chrome's back.
Do you want to take me for this weekend?
For what?
Finishing the car, 6 cars.
Those 6 cars, 4 of them were my customers.
Doesn't matter.
You're sitting in my one of my customers'
See,
cars.
when they come, they don't see my face; they see your face.
Which is why they come.
See, so let me just try to finish it. So I'm trying to make them happy.
Okay.
So while they're coming to see you, they don't know behind this guy is the one who finished the job.
This guy that smokes 3 packs a day of cigarettes.
Bring the apple. I make it like a watermelon.
I bring the apple and you make it a watermelon?
Yes.
We're sitting in a Rolls-Royce Dawn, which is probably one of your favorite cars.
Yes.
This car was fully wrapped and had that body kit on it.
Okay.
And now it's back to
Normal.
all black, stock bumpers, all that stuff. How do you feel about it?
Not good.
You liked it before better?
Yeah, before.
Okay. Well, this customer wanted to go crazy, and then he wanted to go back to kind of original, but blacked out, so it looks good still.
Everyone's got a different taste.
If you had a Rolls-Royce Dawn, what would you do to it?
Oh, fix up all the way. Like I'm trying.
What
to
color would you have your Rolls-Royce?
White.
White.
Yes.
You're a white
With the-
kind of guy.
Yes, with the blue, the shadow thing.
What?
The blue thing, like it goes on the roof and
A
everything.
blue top?
Yeah. Hood, it goes like the blue
Wow.
stripes and everything.
Two-tone blue.
Yes.
Okay.
No, that's
Good
what
for
I
you,
would
man.
choose.
Good for you. One day,
One day.
if you keep making cars into watermelons.
How crazy is it? That's hard, boy. There you go. The worst time he's working. He doesn't work during the day. He's dirtying all the cars.
I have to see where
Look, he's walking toward.
drive a little bit.
Turn it off.
Get successful.
He came with that. He picked this up.
Because I wasn't even driving like that.
Very good job, Joshua. You love it?
Yeah, it's sick.
Sarkis, you like it?
Sarkis. Black will be better.
Black
like-
would be better?
To be honest, I don't like chrome. That's my.
You have no taste, that's why.